Okay, welcome back everyone to another Appendix stream. And so recently the Zig 0.13 compiler was released, and so now this is happening. I want to go back through some of the previous projects that I've made on stream and update them to the newest compiler. So the current version of the compiler I have is the 12 version, but we want the 13 one. So yeah, let's download this. This is the one we want. Yeah, we have Zig 11. So now we want this one. No. We do not want to use the Windows default unzipping program. That is way too slow. Let's call this Zig. Call it Zig 13. Okay, so yeah, to provide some context, the projects I'm going to be updating will simply be this butterfly quiz, which we updated last time from version 0.11 of the compiler to 0.12, and likewise for this Sudoku puzzle game. Okay, so we should have this here, right? Zig 13, put it here. Okay, so I don't know what this, I don't know where we have this specific version of the Zig compiler, so I'm going to just like delete that. Windows will do its thing, and then we need to just update some registry file stuff now. Zig 13. So we want to point the current version of the Zig compiler from 12 to this one. Edit the environmentals. Or we can just add it. Can I copy this? Okay, and then we want to change the Zig 11 version to the Zig 11 binary to like, oh, it already is called that. What's the Zig current one? Yeah, that's not current anymore. Let's delete this. Okay, so the one that's just called Zig must be the kind of current one. Okay. So we'll move that to 12. And then we'll just call the Zig 13 one now the Zig itself. Okay. So yeah, this one we can just get rid of. And this one we can now just simply call Zig. Like, I can't see any reason why we'd need the Zig 11 compiler anymore, but we might need the previous one. So let's move this one from Zig 11 to Zig 12.exe. Okay. So now when we go zig version, we do get the 13. Okay, let's begin updating these projects. So the first one is this butterfly quiz app. I kind of want to just like clear out the zig cache and the zig out and build it again. Zig build run, de-optimize, release fast. Whoa, this is like, Andrew's new like thing he did on stream has now been incorporated into the compiler. Wasn't expecting that. Cool. But we're getting a build error. Let's address this. Um, 49. Oh yeah, it's really not gonna like this. So I think we can use just the new build. We can basically just use this thing, but actually in the process we may as well simplify this. So I think if we call this b.path main.zig, that's all that's going to be required. I spoke too soon, 132. I think most of these can just be replaced with b.path. Okay, and 2171. Okay, let's just go ahead and change all of this. Here's another one. Okay, I think that is caught most. No, 209. Okay. At least the build script is compiled. And I kind of would be surprised if anything else breaks. Like, there were many changes in the compiler over the last 2 months, but not as significant a number of changes as in the release of the 12 compiler. Yeah, okay. Doing its thing. So meanwhile that goes, let's just return to the other project and try and get that one compiling. So we'll go to the Sudoku build.zig. Okay, that's compiled, and let's see, this is like a black swallowtail. The Viceroy. Okay, not a zebra swallowtail, not a skipper. I think this is the meadow fritillary. Yep, this is the morning cloak. Okay, it's working again. There's also another change I want to make as well. So currently in Zig, currently like the binary is being put inside like a bin folder that's inside a zig.out, zigout. I want to get rid of the bin part and just put it directly in zigout. That will require just adjusting only a couple of lines in the script. I think we should also specify the compiler version minimum to now be 13.0. Okay. Which now okay, so now I've made that change. If I do zig build run optimize again, it shouldn't change that much, right? Yeah, it still works. But now if I do zig 12 build run deoptimize, we should get our like failure notice we did we added in when we just did all of the build scripts last time. Release, oh yeah, or it's gonna work and there's something wrong with our code. Okay, there's something quite wrong with our, like, I think compiler minimum stuff. Okay, so what's happening? Uh-oh. So we specified the minimum as 0.13, and so this is meant to reject this. So what's happening? I wonder if it's a logic error going on. I kind of just want to print both of these. There's like the comp time print. What is it again? It's like a comp time error print. It's like, it's not, oh yeah, is it compile error we want? Or compile log, that's right. Yeah, this function prints the arguments passed to it at compile time, and then it forces an error. Yep, okay. So we want to say compile log, compile version min string compiler version max string current string. Okay. Why is it erroring here? Does this need to be wrapped inside a function first? Let's just do a really basic version. Compile log. Blah. Okay, yeah, it doesn't like that. So maybe... Oh, I could just wrap it in comp time. Maybe that's what it wants. Even though it's like in the global scope. Okay, it's just working. So yeah, it is getting this is the Zig12 compiler. We are getting these strings kind of correct. So what's wrong with this order logic? Is it this here? So we're saying run this on the vectors and then with the minimum and the current. And then do a compile error if it's not. I mean, we may as well just print out what the compiler order currently is. So it's saying they're equal, huh? Okay, that explains a lot. Why is this being returned as equal? The only way it can return equal is if we've got to the end of this. So none of these have returned early. So what's up? Oh, it looks like there's some copy pasta going on here. So yeah. The very first argument is smaller, it's less than it. If it's greater, the copy pasta errors will always get you. Okay, great, and this is what we want to see. Yeah, error building the project requires the version to be 0.13 at minimum. The current compiler is this. So now we can get rid of this. Okay, now if we try and compile again, yeah, it's going to, it's doing this and it's giving us line 37 in the build file. Good. Okay, so now that's been fixed. We can see that we can check that it works with the current one. It looks like it's fine. Yeah, great. Okay. Well, this is already like more fixes than I intended to do today. Okay, and now we need to change the output binary so that it's just in zig-out instead of the binary folder within zig-out. So from memory, there's an example on the documentation website about how to kind of do this. Is it like, it's like zig build. Is it in learn? Yeah, this one, zig build system. And then from memory it was near the bottom. There was something that had like default in it. Equals dot, or maybe not default, it was like prefix. Yeah, I think it was this. Add install artifact. Yeah, I think it was this one. Like in this, the things aren't getting put into folders named by like bin. They're getting this custom name. So this must kind of be it here. And then okay. Let's find out where in this what's currently happening. So yeah, I think the install artifact, this like calls some other function, some other procedure. So we should look into that install artifact. So now we want zig and install artifact, or rather function install artifact. Yeah, build.zig 15 library standard build.zig. This creates the install step and adds it to the dependencies of the top level install tab using all the default options. Yeah, so it's doing this like get install step depend on install artifact with something that's empty. So if we clear this out instead and we say usually this is but that is just the line below with default options. And then we want to replace like this with the thing. So yeah, here it's saying like destination directory. What are some? What's this one do? This is. I think this is the version we want. We just want the stuff in zig out without binary. So this is now saying. Presumably this is. You specified the destination directory. I kind of want to know what this thing is that we're passing into it, and then specify that on a different line. So let's call this like options, binary options, binary. And we'll figure out what this is. So we want to go back to add install artifact. Well, the add install artifact. 1577. Oh wait, it's literally just below. Step install artifact options. Maybe that's enough. Okay. Step install artifact options. So here we want standard dot. I guess just build dot step dot options, and we want this to be destination directory is equal to override prefix. Okay, let's try and compile with this. Missing semicolon, as always. Use of undeclared identifier artifact. Yeah, what is, oh, is this just EX? Is this just EXE? Yeah, the artifact is just the thing that was mentioned in the line before it. So, hang on, this doesn't look happy. Okay, let's see what's happening here. So, oh. Yeah, b dot. Oh no, this thing itself, hang on, what are we doing? I do like the way this is laid out a bit better. Let's actually expand this. Okay, so we can say, let's just copy it over. Like that should have been the first thing we did. Okay, and this is working again. Admiral, Tiger Swallowtail. Okay. The B here is a bit hidden though. I do want to annotate where it came from. So this should be standard.build. Oh no, we actually this is fine. We'll leave it like this. And then I think that's kind of it in terms of updating. We should annotate the README that we have updated this. Building the project requires the compiler version to be 0.3 at minimum. It's been tested with 13 on Windows 11. There seems to be many references. Replace 0.12. This. And that was it. I thought there was something about this project was like originally written with 0.11. Maybe that was mentioned in our other project. Why is like Twitch just not working? Okay, whatever. Yeah, so in the README for this, I had something like I could have sworn I said in here like I built this in like the 0.11 compiler. I guess not. Maybe that was in the like the main file for this. Ah, here it is. Okay, this project was originally built with this. Okay. Okay, so we'll need to update that part in the main file here. Yeah, this project was originally built with 11 and updated to work with compiler number 13 on the 17th of June, 2024. Okay. I think that's all. Let's just check again. Why is this like stuttering here? It's I see. It's the new yeah. New thing. Yeah, this works. Okay, let's save these and I'll move it as a commit. So yeah, we changed the README, got this part working. Updated project to work with Z 0.13. Fixed compiler, well, fixed build bug. Okay, so that's now done. Okay, I don't want to save I don't want to have to redo all of these changes for the other project. I kind of want to just copy stuff in. There is a question though as to how different this build file is from the other one. Well, okay, so we just have... Perhaps the only thing that has changed is this part, which is literally just saying we're calling the project Sudoku, 4x4 Sudoku instead of main. I think everything else is kind of similar, except maybe this part. How different are these? There is like, I wish Windows had like this, that like diff command in which you can just. Oh, okay. I know an easy way to do this. Let's just copy all of this. Let's just delete everything in. Delete everything in the Sudoku one. Save it. Then Git will tell us what's wrong. So now if we go to the 4x4 Sudoku and say what has changed. So yeah, many of these changes we want to keep in, of course, that's all fine. That we want to change. Just the name. 4x4 Sudoku. And then, what's this stuff? Oh wait, that was just what we added. I guess we want to change like run the game to run the quiz. And then all of this path stuff should be fine. And that's kind of it. Okay. Yeah, let's save all of this. Well, let's make sure it compiles first. We'll just do like a fresh compile. Zbuild run d optimize release fast. I'm happy Andrew added in this new feature. Looks cool. Great, and let's see. Does this still work? Oh wait, I did this wrong. Oops. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, it's still loading. Okay. Git diff, all of that. We need to change the README and stuff in this one as well. Almost forgot. So yeah, we're saying replace all instances of 12 with 13. This project requires a 13 compiler. There, and then we want to go into the main file here and also update it here. What's the date again? The 17th. Oh wait, there's a typo in here. Was updated to work with blah of the compiler with version compiler version. Wow, what do I even want to say? And was updated to work with version blah of the compiler. Okay. Let's see. That all looks good. Updated the project to work with with Zig 0.13.0, And yeah, sorry if anyone is chatting at the moment on stream. Twitch is refusing to like show me any of the chat messages. It just has a circle that's going around and around and around. Because Twitch builds reliable software. I almost said that with a straight face. Okay. Yeah, I think that's kind of it actually now. Oh yeah, we do need to push changes to GitHub. If I forgot to do that, yeah. So let's push that. Push to GitHub. Did I push this one? No. Okay. Okay, and I think that's kind of it for now. Later on in the day, I want to get back to some Serenum Sokoban programming. Yeah, this was good. Yeah, it was committed a minute ago. Good. And yeah, and the Sokoban stream will be a lot more fun since we're programming a new game on that. Okay, good. Okay, but otherwise, thanks for anyone who came along, and yeah, I think like this stream was a good verification of one of one of Zig's goals. Like, it's not like a big enough goal that it's mentioned in this statement. Like, I think being robust, optimal, and reusable is here, but there should be like a secondary Zig aspiration that the software is really maintainable. Is it Zig Zen that has it? Maybe not. It's in one of them anyway. But yeah, that was a demonstration of today in not too long. Yeah, in less than 40 minutes, we've been able to like update these files. So, and yeah, catch you later. Bye.